Hello everyone. In this video, we will be looking at the remaining part of Europe. So, we will be discussing about important mountains and plateaus or peninsula located in the European part. Let's discuss this. If we talk about the Spain part or Portuguese part, that is Iberian Peninsula located right here. Above that, we have Pyrenees mountains located in the border area of Spain, France area. If we talk about this area between Italy and Switzerland, Alps mountain can be found in this part. If we talk about the western side of this Alps, you find an important mountain, that is Mount Blanc. If we move north of this Alps, we find Jura mountains. And if we further move northeastern part, you find Black Forest mountain. And this particularly found Mount Harz, that is found in the German part of the Europe. If we talk about this particular area, this is known as Carpathians Highlands, and इस area को हम कहते हैं Daneric Alps. We call it as Daneric Alps. यहाँ पर Italy में you find another mountain, that is Vesuvius mountain, and in this part, this particular mountain is known as Apennines mountain. Sorry if I have pronounced this wrong. And if you find this particular part of the world, these countries are known as Balkan countries. We will be discussing about them also in the later classes. And this area is famous for steppes, which is a kind of grassland, temperate grassland. This is Hungary Pustas, that is also famous temperate grassland. And if we talk about this particular area, that is dividing your Eurasian part into Europe and Asia. This is Caucasus mountain, and the highest peak of Europe is located here, that is Mount Elbrus. So this is all about this area, and particularly if we talk about Greece part, one mountain is left, that is Pindus mountain. Pindus mountain. So that you have to remember. Now let's talk about the Balkan nation. If we talk about Balkan nation, we have many countries located in this part. This Balkan nation includes your Croatia, Slovenia, Bosnia, Siberia, Kosovo, then we have Montenegro, then Albania, Greece, and some part of Turkey, which is in your which part? European part. If we talk about these countries also included in your this East European countries. So the nations which are located right here, these are known as Balkan nation in large. Okay, so this is all about your Balkan nation. We will be covering about rivers tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot. Thank you very much.